Pearly, what you want? Ow! He wants food, but he needs to learn how to eat seeds already. So as you see, he wants this, but instead of giving him the bird formula, I'm gonna give him one of these because he needs to learn. And so these are more smaller. I have put this kind of food in his cage, but he doesn't want it yet. So we're starting with this. It's so much smaller for them to, try it and learn. Good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that mess. Look how you eat, Pearly! And you're eating so desperately, like if I didn't feed you this morning. So this mess is kind of what you get when you have a baby bird learning to eat. It's all over the place. I put him some of the big seeds here and he literally didn't touch it. I put some of the others and he just ate it everywhere. I put some of the big seeds here and some of them there, and he finally is tasting them. He doesn't like it much, that's why he's crying. But it's a start.